Wala.
relation sa Pogo and other
Wala ako.
illegal drugs.
Wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay yung mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drugs. Pugo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pugo. Alam mo maglaro ng pugo.
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa
Congress?
Well, if they will invite me, I just hope that they would ask educated questions.
How do you feel, Mayor, na yung mga pulis natin like Karma, De Leon, and other PNP, kinigisa, ngayon contempt sila kung hindi makaka-Christmas with their family dahil...
They will have vote on legally